So your eyes are red, watery, and itchy. Why is this happening and what can you do? Well, there's 4 main reasons why this is happening: blepharitis, allergies, dirty contact lenses, or makeup. So today we're going to be talking about contact lenses. If you don't want to miss out on the other reasons, subscribe or click on this playlist. Here we go. Contact lenses are amazing. However, they need a little more TLC than just glasses. This is because they are sponges for the environment. Whether it's pollen, dust, debris, chemicals in your storage solution, you're constantly being exposed because of your contact lenses. Now they come in different modalities, monthly, 2-week, and daily options, but let me tell you how you can keep your eyes healthy and happy and still wear your contact lenses. Here's 5 things you can do to keep your lenses from causing issues. Number 1, daily disposable contact lenses. Yes, daily lenses are the best of the best. It's a fresh lens every single day. So you take off a lens, you toss it, you get a fresh lens every day. Know what you're not going to get exposed to? The environment that you were in yesterday. Whether it's pollen, dirt, or debris, you get a fresh lens. We all know the best time to put on a contact lens is when you first take it out of the package. Imagine getting that feeling every single day. That's what a daily lens does for you. Number 2, glasses. I know you're a contact lens wearer, but your eyes do need a break. If they're really red and itchy, try your glasses for a day. There's tons of styles out there. We have prescription sunglasses that can keep your eyes protected from the sun and you seeing as best as you possibly can. Number 3, Clear Care. Clear Care is a peroxide-based solution that will give your lenses a deep cleaning. If you're not using daily lenses and you have allergies, if your eyes are irritated, you're going to want to get Clear Care. Now, this is something that has to sit in the peroxide solution overnight, so you need 6 to 8 hours of clean time. If you can't give it that, don't use Clear Care. Trust me, you'll see me for a different reason, and it's not going to be a happy one. So use that once a week, every day, once a month. Whenever you feel your contact lenses aren't providing the comfort and relief you want, Clear Care is a solution I'm going to suggest for you. Number 4, avoid generic solutions. Generic solutions are not necessarily compatible with the newest silicone hydrogel contact lenses. Most of you, please, all of you, are in Sci-High lenses. If you're not, talk to your eye doctor, get the upgraded version. It's going to be more breathable and more comfortable. That being said, when you go and buy the generic solution, you don't know what you're getting. Every lot could be different because they go to the lowest bidder and just fill the solution with outdated cleaning formulations. So stick to what you know. BioTrue and Pure Moist are the 2 I recommend most. Clear Care when you need that really deep cleaning. That being said, avoid generics, use the proper solutions, or remember, number 1, get daily disposable lenses. You won't need a contact lens solution. That might save you some money too. Number 5. Now, I know not everyone can have daily lenses year-round. They get expensive. Remember, you can get daily contact lenses for a month, for a week, when you need them, when your eyes are really irritated. Buy them in 30 packs or 90 packs and make them last a whole year. That being said, you can also change out your contact lenses more frequently. I know they say you should wear them for a month. That means you can wear them for a month, but if they're starting to irritate your eyes, get rid of them at 3 weeks, 2 weeks. Whatever you have to do to keep your eyes healthy. Trust me, some of the worst infections I've seen are from people that have felt some irritation and they kept wearing their lenses. If you feel irritation, go to the glasses, see your eye doctor, but get out of the lenses, get a fresh pair. Your eyes will thank you. If you have more questions about contact lenses, leave them in the comments below. I'd love to answer them. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and check out more videos that we have on why your eyes are itchy.